Hey guys, I'm Mani Karthik and today I'll show you how you can use Reels, Stories, hashtags and all the other tools on Instagram to run successful marketing campaigns for your online business. I went through hundreds of successful Instagram stores, talked to several business owners and on that basis came up with some marketing tips that'll definitely help you grow your business organically. With Instagram, business generally follow the trial and error method when it comes to growing their brands. But if you don't want to shoot arrows in the dark and hope they hit the right spot or the right audience, I have some tips and tricks to help you beat the competition and successfully grow your business online. So let's go. First things first, let's talk about whether you need a business account or a personal account. You know the answer to this question. It's a business account. And this is my first piece of advice: create a business account. But why? Because Instagram introduced business accounts to specifically meet the needs of businesses. For example, with a business account, you can add a longer bio to include more details about yourself, analyze your business's performance, use Instagram advertising, schedule posts, and turn your stories and posts into shoppable content. Now that you have created your account, my second tip for you is to write a detailed, relevant bio with important content that explains what you do. A profile bio consists of your business name, handle, display picture, DM to order, or your contact details where people can reach you to order, business category, delivery details, payment methods, and of course, your website link. Your bio introduces your business to the world, so there are things you need to make sure are included in it. Everything from your name and handle should have relevant keywords included in them so that when people search for those keywords, Instagram can show your business profile to them. Your profile bio is more important than it seems because it helps Instagram SEO to show and, more importantly, rank your business when people search for a relevant keyword related to your businesses. Next in line are posts. My third tip is to post consistently with unique content. But this is such a vague term. How can you do that? What is consistent? How can you create unique content every time? I'll tell you. For these, make sure you post around the same time and do it regularly. Say you post daily or once every 2 days or maybe twice daily. It's all fine till you keep posting consistently. Another thing to keep in mind is to post according to your brand's aesthetic, colors, and to upload clear images and videos with all the necessary details. Otherwise, you'll just be bombarded with unnecessary repetitive questions in the comments. Basically, your feed is your catalog and posts are products. You can use images and videos to properly showcase your product, like showing a piece of machinery at work or how a pair of jeans looks from all angles. And of course, your product description can go in the caption. Next is stories. Stories can help you announce new posts, new product arrivals, limited period offers and discounts, etc. to your followers. Even if they miss the post, they can still catch your story. You can even add links to your stories and make them shoppable, meaning people can directly buy products from stories. Speaking of stories, let's discuss highlights. Stories are temporary, but with highlights, you can pin important stuff right on top of your profile. People generally use story highlights to showcase available products, shipping, delivery policies, customer reviews, and other things. You can add as many other details as you like to these highlights. And now comes the exciting part, Reels. Reels boost your visibility and you can show your products in a creative way. Basically, you can have fun growing your business with Reels. Reels have truly transformed the way people upload and consume content on Instagram. Viewers want more short video content than images, and you get the opportunity to be really creative with your content and reach a global audience even if people don't follow you. How cool is that? The fourth tip is to track Instagram's algorithm and stay on top of present trends. And I know Instagram's algorithm is mind-blowingly confusing, and not to forget, trends are fickle. They change every few days, if not every day. But that's the demon we have to deal with. Now, the thing with Reels is that they show up for even those people who aren't following you and you blow up like crazy. All you need is one reel to go viral and suddenly you're on everyone's feed. So all you have to do is hop on the latest audios, use the trending filters and promote your business in your own way. Just go to the search section to find the top trending music, filters, tags and places. Also, if you like a sound or filter, you can save it and use it later by picking it from the save section. The more trending audio you use, the wider you reach. Lots of people have been able to increase their followers tremendously using these trends. Most importantly, almost all Instagram sellers we talked to mentioned that consistency was the single most important thing in getting them viewers and followers. So if you don't get traction in the beginning, don't lose heart. Keep on posting good content regularly and your Instagram page is bound to get noticed sooner than later. You can also come live on Instagram to interact directly with your followers, get feedback to improve, and collaborate with other entrepreneurs to reach a wider but more relevant audience, just like how Dukaan does. The fifth and last I have for you is to run paid ads. Have you seen some posts on your feed that read sponsored on top of them? They are there because brands paid Instagram to run ads based on your searches. If you want to run targeted ads, just use the ads manager to create a campaign. I have taught how to create an ad campaign in another video, the link to which is in the description below and up here. Go check it out after watching this video. And before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip for you. Follow successful brands to see how they are marketing their businesses, more specifically what they are doing right. Apart from the tips I told you, there are other things you should take care of, like finding out your niche and how you can stand out in the sea of Instagram sellers, replying to all DMs, engaging with all your comments, and reaching out to your customers via giveaways, live chats, and constantly updating your profile. To sum up, these are my tips for you. Create a business profile, write a relevant, informative, and effective bio, use posts, stories, and reels to promote your business. Number 4, stay on top of trends. And number 5, run paid ads. And also follow successful brands like Dukaan to see what they're doing right. But did you notice it too, or was I the only one to see that apart from a couple of things like scheduling posts, you have to do everything yourself? And you have no control over the returns. There's also the uncertainty of your account being shut down one day without warning. Now I know Instagram is a powerful marketing tool, but you cannot base your entire business on this social media platform alone. So what should you do? Simple, just build your business on an e-commerce platform as cool as Instagram and link your store from the Instagram profile bio and keep using social media for marketing. This combination of your own website to run daily business operations and Instagram to promote your business gives you the best of both worlds. Dukaan is one such e-commerce platform that understands your business needs, helps you build and run your online business conveniently, and provides you with the best marketing tools to grow. Everything you need from an email marketing to social media marketing, SEO, and tracking your campaign success, you will find something in the huge arsenal of Dukaan's marketing plugins. So if you want to promote your products with ease, go download the app and see the growth yourself. That's it for today. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such awesome content. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any more hacks or how effectively to market your business on Instagram. Until next time.